Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with the Seasons. I'm Vivian, one of the chefs here at Rancho La Puerta, and I'm teaching you how to make a delicious jam for this season. First, we're gonna use our delicious blackberries from the farm, and we're gonna need 8 cups for today. We're doing an amount of 1 cup for sugar, and it's a small amount. We just need a little sweetness because blackberries are a little sweet. So we don't need a lot of sweetness to add. Also, a little bit of lemon because this adds pectin to our jam. And because I love spices, we're doing cardamom and allspice pepper. We have 4 cups there, and I'm adding 4 more cups. We're doing 170 Fahrenheit. So it's medium heat. You don't need to be high heat because it could burn. We're adding just 1 cup of sugar. We don't need to add water. This is very important. Don't add water to your jam. For our jam, we just need to add the fruit. We don't need to peel it, or we don't need to take the seed off. It can be chunky and lumpy. And for the jelly, we just need the juice of the fruit and add pectin and sugar to it. So you can see that now the blackberries are taking the juices off and melting with the sugar. So this would take maybe 20 minutes and that's it. And then you can smash. I'm adding lemon. This is totally by taste. If you want to add more, you can do it, but I will recommend just half. This smells really good. I'm adding some cardamom. I love cardamom. And some allspice pepper. Today we're doing a jam, but however, this could be a good sauce for your salmon, or if you're a fan of barbecue, you can add it to it, pork, lamb, just add in a few ingredients like jalapeno, basil, or herbs. After 15 minutes, we can see this reduce to a delicious jam, and you can see that our pectins start working. See that consistency? For the next step, we're taking the seed-offs, the cardamom, and some of the allspice pepper that we use. And now we're gonna smash it just a little bit. We don't need to take this to the whole level. We just need to get like chunks, lumpy, and spreadable just to add to a toast, pancakes. So this is pretty easy to make. So I not only love blackberries because they're delicious, but because they are superfood. This means they have antioxidants, they help your brain function, and also they help to control your blood sugar levels. So you can see the consistency now. The pectin really work out, and we have a really good spreadable blackberry jam for our toast this morning at Rancho La Puerta. Buen provecho!